Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare a simple and quick pepper chicken masala. I've taken 250-gram chicken curry pieces, adding quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder and half teaspoon salt. Mix well to coat the chicken pieces with the masala. Now add 1 tablespoon thick yogurt. Combine well. And let it marinate for minimum 15 minutes. Also take few sliced small onions, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves and 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon each fennel seed and cumin seed, 1 teaspoon grated ginger and 3 garlic cloves sliced, 1 red chilli, quarter piece of lime, few curry leaves and 4 to 6 teaspoons of freshly crushed black pepper powder. In a hot pan, add oil. Add sliced small onions. Toss until onions turn translucent and crisp. Now add all the whole spices, cinnamon stick, cloves, bay leaf, fennel seed and cumin seed. Also grated ginger and sliced garlic. Give a quick stir for a minute. Now add the marinated chicken pieces. Combine the chicken with the onions and spices. Add red chilli and keep tossing in high flame for a good 5 minutes. I'm adding 1 tablespoon more yogurt so that chicken doesn't become dry, and keep tossing in high flame for few more minutes. Add little water if masala sticks to the pan. Mix to combine well. Now cook covered in low to medium flame for 20 to 25 minutes. Check every few minutes. Add more water as required and mix to combine well. Close and continue cooking until chicken is well cooked. After 20 minutes, chicken masala is well cooked. Add curry leaves, squeeze of fresh lime juice and freshly crushed black pepper powder. Add salt as per taste. Mix to combine well. Now keep tossing in high flame until chicken pepper masala is dry. Now the oil is separated and pepper masala is well cooked. Now check for taste and add more pepper powder as required. Give a final mix. The pepper chicken masala is now ready. Do prepare this simple and quick pepper chicken masala and share your valuable feedbacks and comments on how you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.